Polynomials. What is meant by polynomials? What is the meaning of polynomials? You have learned, isn't it? Tell me. What is a polynomial?
More than one monomial.
Can you repeat?
More than one.
More than one. Polynomial means what is it? Poly means many. Poly means many. Nomials means names. So many names, many terms combined together. We call it as a polynomial. Okay, many terms combined together. Okay, first you listen. No need to write all those things. You first listen to it, understand it. Then you can. Okay, polynomials means many terms combined together. You will get a polynomial. Okay, now I'll write some expression. Okay, what is an expression before that? What is an expression? What is an expression?
It is a set of variables and constants.
Expression means it is a combination of constants and variables. It is a combination of constants, variables along with the arithmetic operators. Which are the operators you have, Aditya Nair? Which are the different operators you have? Mathematical operators. Which are the different operations you are using?
I am not familiar with that thing.
Yes. Keep your hands down and answer it.
Not familiar with that term.
No, different operations. What are the different types of operations you are learning in maths?
Addition,
Addition,
subtraction,
subtraction,
multiplication, division.
multiplication, and division. So what is an algebraic expression? It is an expression. It is a combination of variables, constants, along with some arithmetic operations. Okay. If I write x plus y, is it an expression? Joanne, x plus y, is it an expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether x plus y, is it an expression?
Plus y.
Is it an algebraic expression?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Sainaba, tell me which are the variables present there?
X and Y.
X and Y. Very good. X and Y are the variables. Vishnu Priya, can you give the coefficient of X in X plus Y? Which is the coefficient?
1.
1. Okay. So what is an expression? Expression means it is a combination of constants, variables, along with some arithmetic operations. Okay, so what is a polynomial? What is the difference between a polynomial and arithmetic expression? Yes, tell me.
Expression has an equation.
Expression?
No, equation has equal sign.
Equation. I'm asking about the expression and polynomial. Expression and polynomial. What is the difference between an expression and a polynomial? Suppose I am writing like this, x square plus x plus 1. Is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? Aditya Nair, is it a polynomial?
No, ma'am.
Adidev, is it a polynomial?
Yes.
Yes, it is a polynomial. If it is a polynomial, why? Adidev, tell me, Adidev, why it is a polynomial?
Because it went like x square, x and 1.
Okay, x square, x and 1.
2, 1, 0.
2, 1 and 0. Okay, the powers, the exponents. Okay, what about the exponents? The exponents are non-negative integers. Exponents are non-negative integers. Suppose I am writing like this. Bhadra, is it a polynomial?
No,
No. Why?
because 1 by x, it will not be a polynomial.
Yes. The power is negative, isn't it? The exponent, if you write this, you'll be writing this in the form x raised to minus 1 plus 1. It is an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. So, okay, so polynomial means the power of the exponent should be a positive. It should be a non-negative integer. It should be a non-negative integer. Now, Melvin, root 2 x plus 3. Is it a polynomial, Melvin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Emil, 2 root x plus 3. Is it a polynomial, Emil? Two root x plus 3. Is it a polynomial? Emil?
Ma'am, should we write this in notes?
No need, just for your understanding. Emil, tell me whether 2 root x plus 3, is it a polynomial? If you want, you can. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Because the root comes after the constant.
Root means, what is the power? Whenever we write root x, what is the power? Show me. Okay, what is the name? Nisya Chomi.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the power when we write root x? When you write root x, what is the power of the variable? Root x means, what is the power? Yes, what is the exponent of x? Yes, children, if I write root x means, what is the exponent?
1.
Is it 1, Prajot? Is it 1? Root x.
-1.
Listen, 1 by x means we are writing as x raised to minus 1, isn't it? 1 by x means we are writing x minus 1. Here it is root x. Whether they are same? Are they same?
No.
No. Then what is my power? What is the power here? Vishnu, can you try? Yes.
Ma'am, 2.
Two. Let's some more correction is needed. No.
Ma'am, negative power.
No. Aman,
Ma'am, 0.
root x children. Root.
Ma'am,
Power?
half.
Ma'am, x.
Half. Very good. Who gave that answer half? Very good. Who gave that answer half? Yes.
Mummy.
Rifa. Okay, good. Okay, root means power is 1 by 2. Root means what is the power? Exponent is 1 by 2. What is meant by cube root? Cube root.
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Cube root means it is 1 by 3. Square root means power is 1 by 2. Adidev, fourth root.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. In general, nth root. Nth root. Mainstream. Nth root.
Ma'am, 1 by n.
Very. Okay, children, some power failure was there. That's all. Shall we continue? Or where we stopped? We are discussing about
Cube root.
cube root. Cube root means power is 1 by 3.
Three.
Isn't it? Arjun? Square root means what is the power, Arjun?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. So, but for a polynomial, whenever we consider a polynomial, the exponent should be positive or non-negative integer. No negative numbers are allowed. No rational numbers are allowed. Okay, that is with the fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and all is not allowed. So that is the difference between algebraic expression and polynomials. In algebraic expressions, the power may be positive, negative, fractions, everything is allowed. But here in polynomials, the power must be a positive or non-zero, non-negative integer. It should be a non-negative integer. Again, polynomials, this year we are going to learn with only one variables. We are going to learn about polynomials in one variable. Okay, either in X or in Y. Okay, in polynomials, we have learned some terms. Can you, okay, write the heading? Degree of the polynomial. What is meant by degree of the polynomial? What is the degree? What is meant by degree of the polynomial?
Power.
It is the power. It is the power. The exponent of the highest term. The exponent of the, okay, the exponent of the highest degree term only we call it as degree of the polynomial, the highest power. For example, suppose I am writing like this, P of X. Okay, P of X is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1. This is a polynomial in X. P of X is the polynomial in X. What is the degree here? What is the degree?
2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
Degree is 2. Degree is 2. Okay, degree of the polynomial is 2. How many terms are here? How many terms are here? Okay, look at the
Two.
example. Terms. How many terms?
3, ma'am.
3 terms are there. Very good. 3 terms are there. Okay, there are 3 terms. Which are the 3 terms? 3x square is one term. Minus 4x is the next term. 1 is the other term. So number of terms is 3. Okay. Now, last year we have learned different types of polynomial based on degree. Okay. Last year we have learned different types of polynomial based on degree. Okay, based on degree. Can you tell me all those things?
Monomial.
Monom based on degree. Okay, write it in the form of tables, okay, so that you can understand it easily. General form.
Ma'am, can we write this?
Yes. This and all you can write. Start writing. Okay, this is an example. Types of polynomial. What are the different types of polynomial? Okay, how will you classify the polynomial based on degree?
Ma'am, linear.
Very good. Linear. Linear means what we know?
Degree is 1.
Very good. Degree is 1.
Ma'am, quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic. Okay. Quadratic means?
Degree 2.
Degree 2. Quadratic polynomial.
Cubic.
Cubic. Very good. Cubic. Next is cubic. Next is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means degree is 3. Then Then what else?
Linear.
Biquadratic.
Linear already
Bi-
we learned.
Biquadratic polynomial.
Biquadratic. Biquadratic. Okay, biquadratic means what is it? Quad means
Degree is
two.
4.
Degree is 4. Biquadratic. Bi means two. Bicycle, two wheel, isn't it? So we call bicycle, tricycle. So bicycle means bi means two. Quad means two. So 2 into 2 it is 4. So biquadratic means degree is 4. Then that's all. That's all. Okay, so now can you give the general form? What is the general form of a linear polynomial? What is the general form of the linear polynomial? It is ax plus b. General form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers with a not equal to 0. Listen children, these conditions and all we should learn it clearly. Why we are saying a not equal to 0? Why we are mentioning that a is not equal to 0? Why? Why we are insisting that a not equal to 0?
Because then that term will completely become 0.
Very good. Who is answering this one? We.
Amina.
Amina, very good. Okay, what happens when a becomes 0? No x term at all you will get, isn't it? So it is not a linear. If we are defining linear polynomial, we need x term there. If it is a linear polynomial, we need x term there. So a is not equal to 0. So can you give some examples, Annie? Can you give us some examples of linear polynomial?
3x plus b.
3x plus. Okay, another example, Afsana. Afsana, can you try another example? Yes. Pia, give one example, one more example. One more example, linear polynomial.
4x plus 2b plus
Okay.
3.
Okay, example means you write with only this numbers. Okay, 4x plus root 2 or some examples. If I write root 3x, is it a linear polynomial? Vishnu? Is it a linear polynomial, Vishnu? Root 3x.
No, ma'am.
What is the degree of the polynomial here? If I write root 3x,
-3 is the degree.
which is the variable here? Root 3x means which is the variable? If I write root 3x, if I write root 3x, tell me Vishnu, which is the variable here?
X.
X. And what is the power of x here?
1.
1. Is it a non-negative integer?
No, ma'am.
What is meant by non-negative? What is meant by non-negative? It is
Not a negative number.
not negative number. So what is the power here? Is it a negative number?
Positive.
Positive. Then it is a polynomial of degree 1. The root is for only the constants. Root is for only the constants. Root 3x is a polynomial. Okay, this is a polynomial of degree 1. It is a linear polynomial. But if I write like this, root 3x, this is not a polynomial. Root 3x is a polynomial, but 3 root x is not a polynomial. Is it clear, Vishnu?
Yes.
If I write 5x minus 1, is it a polynomial?
No,
Why?
ma'am.
Then can you give an example of a polynomial? Vishnu, give an example. Can you give one example?
5x minus 1.
Now, what is the example I gave? Then who said no? Is it you?
No, ma'am. Ashik only said no.
That is Ashik.
Ma'am, I told that 3 root that number. That no.
3 root x is not a polynomial. Okay. So Vishnu, give one more example for linear polynomial.
7x plus b.
7x plus b. So it is not b. Okay, it can give some number. 7x plus root 5. 7x plus root 5. Okay, it is a polynomial. Power of the variable should be a non-negative integer. Okay. And what is the general form here? The general form is ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers with a not equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial means ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic polynomial general form is ax square plus bx plus c with the same condition. A not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Nirupama, give one example of quadratic polynomial.
5x square plus 6x plus 7.
Okay. Meghna, another example, one more example, Meghna. Meghna. Yes, Meghna.
2x square plus 5y.
5. Okay.
Y.
5. Why we can't take? Why we are not taking? Okay, why we can't take? Because we need in the same variable. Okay, in the same variable. Now, what about cubic polynomial? What is the general form of a cubic polynomial? Savio. Savio. General form of a cubic polynomial. Cubic. Cubic means degree is 3. Repeat it once again. Repeat it.
X cubed
Ah.
X B
Ah. B.
plus
Ah.
C
Cx
is equal
plus D.
A not is not equal to 0.
Rizwan, give one example, Rizwan. Rizwan, give one example. Rizwan. One example of cubic polynomial. Rizwan. Rizwan. Rizwan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
root 2x cube.
Can you tell me? Repeat.
Root 2x cube.
root 2x cubed. Okay. Root 2x cube is a cubic polynomial. With, okay, this is a polynomial. Okay. Prajot, try another example, Prajot. Prajot,
Yes, ma'am.
I give one more example of cubic polynomial.
5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1.
Okay. Now, Lakshmi Nanda, can you give the general form of biquadratic? Lakshmi Nanda,
Yes, ma'am.
can you give the general form of biquadratic?
Ax raised to 4
Hmm.
plus bx raised to 3
Ah.
plus cx raised to
Hmm.
2 plus
Hmm.
d.
Dx plus
dx
d with a not equal to 0 and a, b, c, d, e are real numbers. Okay, the example we can write this as x raised to 4 plus 1. X raised to 4 minus x square plus 1. These are all some examples. Now listen children, based on degree, again 2 more we can divide. Constant polynomial, whether you heard it? What is a constant polynomial? What is the degree of the constant polynomial? What is the degree? Degree is 0. Degree is 0. Okay, there is no particular form. Suppose I write minus 5, minus 8, root 2, 3. If I write only the number alone, it is a constant polynomial. And what's the degree of the constant polynomial? 0. Degree of the constant polynomial is 0. And the next polynomial you have learned is 0 polynomial. The next polynomial we have learned is 0 polynomial. For a 0 polynomial, the degree is not defined. The degree of a 0 polynomial is not defined. Okay, it is only the 0. If I write simply 0, it is a polynomial. But the degree is not defined. So this is the types of polynomial based on degree. Types of polynomial based on degree. So in the next class, tomorrow's class, be ready with the examples, types of polynomial based on number of terms. Write down. The next class, I'll be asking the questions related to this. Find out answer. Number of terms, based on the number of terms. How will you classify the polynomial? Next is, what is meant by 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial. Go through the textbook, find out the definitions. Last year we have learned all those things.
Ma'am, first one, but based on terms.
Based on number of terms. How will you classify the polynomials? Second one is, what is meant by 0 of a polynomial? Okay. Oh, okay. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? So, okay, meet you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.